We had great misfortune to have two panelists absent for good reasons, flu and other related problems. So it's only Iain Boal and myself and the Grubacic. And the way to do it, I think, Iain, maybe we can introduce it.
Yeah.
Just an idea. Are you guys familiar with Retort Collective and Afflicted Powers, the book?
I'll say, all right, maybe I'll start with that and then you can go in.
If you would speak up.
Yeah. So, okay, yeah.
We'll do our best.
My name is Iain Boal, B-O-A-L, Andrej Grubacic. You're at a panel entitled Wisdom in Common. We, well, before I start, I just want to thank the Unitarians for having us here. I don't know if any Unitarians in the room. I saw them. Okay, good. I've known a number of Unitarians. Whitehead said of them, I believe that they believe in one God at most. Anyways, we thank the Unitarians, and it's good to be back in Portland.
We're actually free spirits. We can come here as atheists.
Yes, that's right.
Good. Anyway, we're gathered here. This is good. So we're here sort of in a sense under the sign of Retort. What is Retort? Well, Retort is a gathering of antinomians based in the San Francisco Bay Area. Not strictly a collective, no explicit program. A motley crew of about maybe 30 or 40 of writers, artists, artisans, poets, scientists, joined essentially in a web of sustaining friendship, who share an antagonism to the present order, and have been meeting for the last couple of decades on a regular basis, mostly to drink and eat together, but also to discuss the tactics and terms of a root and branch opposition to capital empire, and the various versions of barbarism on offer. We've produced broadsides and pamphlets and a book. On occasion, we spring into action and we arrange conviviums and gatherings of various kinds. And so we're here today to prime a conversation this afternoon under the rubric of the financial and the ecological crises and the way they might be linked. I think retorters would subscribe to the idea that we need an anti-capitalist program that links commoners at the north and south, that we need to shut down the imperial base world around the globe, and that we have a problem with the current form of politics, which are often spectacularized and so on, and we have to do some real fundamental conceptual rethinking of the situation we find ourselves in. And so we have some work in progress. I'll turn over to Andrej now to kick off, and I personally will then say a few words after about what I think, how to think about the relation between commons and commoning, and the way we need to organize it in order to push back in a more fundamental way against the fresh round of enclosures that we're facing.
Okay, so one of the many interventions, well, one of the most important interventions of the Retort Collective was a book. It was published, if I'm not mistaken, in 2004. Book is titled...
We got a lot of space, it looks like. Two chairs.
You can just sit in the middle. Just sit in the middle.
Anybody want? There are some
There's some tiny chairs over there.
There are some.
I would be willing to sit in a tiny chair.
So much